This isn't the first time Donald Trump has made headlines, and it likely won't be the last. But not many thought he'd be making Wall Street waves similar to the GameStop fiasco, least of all with the social media company.
The numbers are astounding, to say the least, a surge of more than 800%.
Stocks soaring again in the pre-market this morning.
Soaring 335%.
The former president says he is launching the platform to, quote, stand up to the tyranny of big tech.
The more it goes up, the less likelihood Donald Trump is running for president in 2024.
Hi, I'm Laura Adams from Finder.com, and today we're going to talk about Digital World Acquisition Corporation. It's a special purpose acquisition company that recently announced its intention to merge with Trump Media and Technology Group. The result, a trading explosion that caused a 357% jump in value. But why? Is Digital World Acquisition Corp the next meme stock? Let's get into it. Digital World Acquisition Corp is a SPAC, which stands for Special Purpose Acquisition Company. It was founded in 2020 and hit the market for $10 per share earlier this fall. It trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol DWAC. And boy, has it caught the public eye. All thanks to the announcement of a merger with Donald Trump's soon-to-be-launched social media company, Trump Media and Technology Group. Following the October 20th announcement, DWAC shares exploded in a trading frenzy that sent the stock skyrocketing, more than 350% in the span of a single trading day. And shares continued to climb after hours, rising some 94% in pre-market trading on Friday, October 22nd. But why is the stock getting so much hype? And how long will the trading heat last? In a word, Trump. The former U.S. president is no stranger to the headlines, so it shouldn't come as a surprise that his social media company has captured the public's imagination. But this isn't just another Trump business venture. This is Donald Trump's foray into social media. And many would argue it's a byproduct of his Facebook and Twitter bans that occurred in early 2021. It's also worth noting that this isn't just a social media company. This is Donald Trump's attempt to compete with the likes of big tech, content syndication networks, and streaming services through a non-cancelable multimedia conglomerate. It's ambitious, to say the least. And the company's operations haven't even launched yet, at least not publicly. The Trump Media and Technology Group website offers a look at the company's overview slide deck, but little else. Like any investment, buying into Digital World Acquisition Corp holds the potential for profit and loss. But there are nuanced benefits and risks for this SPAC that we need to cover before you make an investment. So why invest? Well, first, Trump is a widely known public figure. That alone has the potential to propel his social media company further into the spotlight. Second, any attempt to disrupt the social media giants of Silicon Valley is a massive gamble. But there's no denying that the industry is growing and there's a massive potential audience to be tapped. By 2025, the number of social media users in the United States is expected to reach 243 million, according to Statista. And third, some meme stocks, such as GameStop, AMC, and Nokia, have actually done a decent job of holding on to their gains following their initial trading frenzy. So there's some evidence to suggest that meme stocks actually have the potential to offer long-term gains. But before you add this ticker symbol to your watch list, you'll want to consider the risks, and there are several worth noting. While the social media industry is huge, it's bloated and highly competitive. For evidence of just how challenging it can be to rock social media titans like Facebook and Twitter, look no further than Google's failed attempt at a social media network, Google+. Just to reiterate, Google tried and failed to create a competitive social media network, Google. And there's also no guarantee that the hype currently surrounding Trump's pending social media company will last. The company itself isn't even fully operational and its website presentation makes absolutely no mention of profit or revenue. Investing in a company without a solid business plan or outline of operations is incredibly risky. Plus, Truth Social, that's the name of Trump's pending social media app, had its mobile beta exposed by some curious bloggers who discovered they were able to access and register usernames on the platform ahead of its release. That suggests the app still has a way to go before it's considered secure by today's social platform standards. If this SPAC has piqued your interest, but you'd prefer to wait for more information before you invest, just head over to our Digital World Acquisition Corp page on Finder.com. We're updating the page regularly in the lead up to the merger. As soon as more information is released, you'll find it there. The link is in the description box below. You'll need a brokerage account to invest in Digital World Acquisition Corp, and you can buy shares as you would for any other publicly traded company. Here are the steps to take. Number 1, log onto your brokerage account and search for Digital World Acquisition Corp by name or ticker symbol DWAC. Number 2, indicate how many shares you'd like to purchase. And number 3, set up a limit order to purchase shares at a predetermined price of your choosing, or you can simply submit a market order to buy shares at the going market rate. Investing in a SPAC is always a gamble, something that holds especially true when the company it plans to merge with has already drawn the public eye. And keep in mind that if you invest in Digital World Acquisition Corp, its ticker symbol will change once the merger is complete. If you choose to hold on to your shares, you will effectively become a Trump Media and Technology Group shareholder. Be sure to check back to our Digital World Acquisition Corp page for the latest info on its public debut. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button to be the first to know when new videos drop from Finder.com. Thanks for watching.